What's a foot type and what does that have to do with my foot pain? So I am Dr. Po. Welcome to Archmaker, 35 years in practice. And this is the part that people don't even think about when they think about their foot pain. So we always look at, if you look at these two types, this is how we usually think about feet. This is a flat foot, planus. This is a high arched foot or cavus. So flat footed versus a high arch. And we think all our foot problems are just about that. But if you look at this next row, this is varus or valgus, which means that besides being flat-footed or high-arched, you have a twist to the foot. So if it twists out, it's valgus. If it twists in, it's varus. And the twist of your foot matters in how you treat it and the kind of pain that you have. And lastly, we have what's called equinus. Actually, calcaneus is just your heel, but equinus is a more rigid, high-arched, twisted foot. So for our discussions today, we'll talk about these four and why your foot pain is where you have your foot pain. So when you're flat-footed, most people who come into me that are flat-footed usually have plantar fasciitis. And if you remember, plantar fasciitis is the arch muscle and it gets inflamed. Or they have heel pain because the plantar fascia muscle pulls on the heel. Most people who have high arched feet, on the other hand, all their weight is either on the ball of the foot or on the heel. So they have ball of the foot pain or heel pain. And if it's tight enough, sometimes it's the plantar fascia, but it's rare. Achilles tendonitis, heel bursitis, and metatarsal pain. That's from high-arched people. That's where your foot pain is. So the type of foot you have and the twist of your foot have to be controlled in order to control your foot pain and to treat your foot pain. Hope this is helpful.